Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very specific embroidery pattern design ideas that is all of you could be seeing onto your screens that specifically peacock embroidery designs have been shared. These very beautiful patterns of peacock embroidery designs could be used for designing your dresses like onto your shirts, t-shirts, kurti, baby girl dresses, frocks, and even you can also embroider these very beautiful patterns onto your denim jackets, denim shirts, and any type of denim fabric also. So peacock embroidery is a type of embroidery that looks elegant, classy, stylish, and very, very formal and unique at the same time. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns for a wide variety of number and things. That is, you can use them for making cushion covers, pillow covers, making your bed sheets more unique and beautiful, tablecloths more creative and pretty, and many more creativities like hoop art, wall art could be decorated. And the scope is not only limited to this. You can also make these very beautiful patterns of pico embroidery onto your blouses, onto the back of your blouse to give a more creative back neck pattern. Even you can also make them onto the borders of your stroller, scarf, dupatta, shawl also. So the creativity is not only limited to this. You can make them onto your mobile cases, onto your handbags, onto your handmade, hand embroidered, like leather or fabric material bags. So I hope that you have liked the design ideas and patterns of today's collection. If you really like them, then in the comment section, comment below which design you like the most and why. And with this, allow me to leave. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.